Hello friend, I am Nasser. You are watching Media Creation Club. I am here with another interesting topic about your mobile. It's technical video. I will give you just the information, surface information I will give you, okay? How to update any type of Android phone software. So there are maybe more than 10 mobile companies around the world, 10 type of companies and maybe 1,000 of type of sets, individual sets, individual models. How to update? Every model or every company has different settings for the particular mobile software update, as a whole mobile software update, not particular app, mobile software update. So I will just give you a hint and in my face, not I will show you the 10 companies, 1,000 mobile in my palm in hand, so it's not possible. Actually, some mobile you will go in the setting, it's visible the if you want it, click on the software update. Otherwise, in some mobile this is the hidden, okay, and some mobile you have to go in manufacturing setting. You have to some mobile are just you have to open through code of this manufacturing setting. Then from there you can on the software update option. Then you will reach your you can execute the software update of particular mobile or particular model. So keep in mind that this is the difference in many mobiles, and there's a lot of difference in update types. So hopefully you got some hint or some information that all mobile software update are not same. Thank you so much. If you don't understand this video or this point, particularly this mobile smartphones, Android phones software update, even in iPhone as well, or tablets, then you can write me. I will especially record a video on screenshot in different mobiles, because we have different type of mobile as well. So thank you so much. Have a great time.